Hi friends, this video shows how to uninstall updates of Google Play Store app. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to apps, go down, select see all apps. Go down, here you are seeing all apps installed in this device. Go down, select show system apps. Then go down, under system apps, go down and locate Google Play Store. See, here you can see Google Play Store, select it, and here you can see uninstall updates. Please note, current version of this Google Play Store, it shows 46.2. Okay, so let me uninstall updates. Select OK. See, done. Now it shows version 45. Earlier it was 46. So this way we can uninstall updates of Google Play Store app. So you can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.